新年到，头猪笑，许福福出城，新娘，小生娘。大街小巷人如潮，红包满手喜气洋洋。新年好，新年好，许福福向大家问声好。9岁离去新岁到，愿大家幸福岁岁平安好。
Hi, today I want to show you how to run Qwen3 ASR on my 8 GB of VRAM. Qwen ASR is basically a speech-to-text. For the demonstration, I'm going to use an MP3 song and extract the lyric. We'll convert to the LRC format. So let's go to Comfy UI first and make sure you have updated. If you go to Manager and go to Custom Node, search for ASR. The one I'm using is the Dario Fernand. I don't know how to pronounce this one. I already installed the nodes, and let's start with the loader ASR and Qwen3 ASR loader. Then we need the transcribe node. This one. Now we need the input audio. I like to use this one. I can specify the start of the audio and the duration. Audio go to here and the model go to here. And I'm going to select my AI song. Let's listen to the start.
Back in the day we had those junky CRTs with dials and antennas, all the memories.
And let's preview the text. So you can see there's a text output. The model will be downloaded automatically. So you can choose from 1.7B or 0.6B. So let's run the text here. Okay, it's done. This is the lyrics from the song. And I also want to point out one thing. If you look at the end here, you will see somehow the song just stopped here. It's missing something. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is to run the timestamps here. Let's duplicate the preview and put the output here. Make sure you turn this on. I keep on forgetting to turn this on. And let's run this. So this is the arrow you will see when you run it for the first time. The thing is you have to go back to here and turn on the force aligner. And this will download another model as well. So it will take a while. Let's run it. Okay, it's done. You can see, so basically for each word, you will see the start and the end of the word in seconds. So the next thing I want to show you is my workflow. I use this one to generate the Karaoke lyrics file. And this is the original part. We have seen that before. And this one is my own node. I will make it available, but be careful. I don't know how to write a Comfy UI node. This is generated with DeepSeek. I asked DeepSeek to fix the problem with the text length, and somehow it did that. Let me drag and drop my song in that. And this is the separation of the vocal. I hope it does the transcription better with extracted vocal. You have to try which one is better with direct get the audio, or just go to the separation here. Let's run the preview text. Okay, it's done. So if you go down here, you can see it just finished the sentence here. I have also noticed the timestamp is not always perfect. At the beginning, it's very good. Then if you scroll down here, then you will see, for example, here, they are basically all the same timestamp. Now let me show you the conversion of the LRC text. The LRC standard is described here. It's for displaying lyrics of a song. The note needs the timestamp output here. And why do I need the text output? Because if you look at the timestamps here, they have no punctuation. So if I generate with all this information, it will be one single line. So my node will try to detect something like this and make a new line. If there's a comma. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, that was quick. The next thing is we need to get this text to save in a LRC file. So select all and copy it. Make sure the file has the same file name as your MP3 file with the extension LRC. Okay, let's go back to here. A few years ago, I've done a tutorial for DIY LRC karaoke file, and at the time I was still able to run the LRC file on the Caravan player, but now if I download the Caravan player, I wasn't able to select my local file. If you can find out how to play the MP3 with the LRC file, let me know in the comments. Or if you know any other better player can play this, I also love to know. At the moment, I can only play it on my mobile phone. Okay, let's start the app. Landscape works better with my lyrics. So open local file. Okay, as you can see here, I've got two files with the same file name, different extension. Okay, let's open the MP3 here.
Back in the day, we had those junky CRTs with dials and antennas, oh, the memories. Cameras the size of suitcases on our shoulders. Recording on VHS, it was hard to believe. But the world keeps on turning, and tech won't stay the same. From analog to digital, it's a whole new game. I killed the video star. Gone are the days of filming on VCR. We don't write songs, we prompt with flair. A good prompt makes the superstar.
Okay, now you can see there's something out of sync.
Then came the HD 4K in our hands. Portable devices filming life's grand plans.
Okay, it's back in the text now. As you can see in the middle where there's a pause of the vocal, somehow it's out of sync and later it will get back to sync. Okay, now we have the lyrics running, but we still need something for the karaoke. We need a music without vocal. So let's go back to Config UI here. So we can export this as a vocal only. And I can extract the instrumental file as well. So it's done. I just go to the Config UI output folder and I can see here there are the instrumental and vocal file here. Now I've got all three files here, instrumental, vocal, and the LRC file. But at the moment, I haven't found any player can do that, so I asked DeepSeek to help me to write a player. And this one is just a HTML file. I just need to drop all three files here, select all of them and drop here. Because the player doesn't know which one is the vocal track, so I have to select it. And I can mute the vocal later or change the volume of the vocal. So let's play it. So there's no vocal.
Memories. Cameras the size of suitcases on our shoulders. Recording on VHS, it was hard to believe.
Okay, I think that's all about the Qwen3 ASR. It's not perfect, you still need a human correction, but I like it. I will make my player available as well. And the node, I will pack it in the zip file. I don't know how to do the node on the GitHub and everything. I will provide the prompt, I use DeepSeek to generate a note as well. That was my first prompt, and of course DeepSeek will give you something incorrectly. You have to ask DeepSeek to fix it again. So basically that's all about it. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Back in the day, we had those junky CRTs with dials and antennas, oh, the memories. Cameras the size of suitcases on our shoulders. Recording on VHS, it was hard to believe. But the world keeps on turning, and tech won't stay the same. From analog to digital, it's a whole new game. I killed the video star. Gone are the days of filming on VCR. We don't write songs, we prompt with flair. A good prompt makes the superstar.
Well, there are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.